Are you a student? Do you find it difficult to prepare for a Kiswahili exam? Are you worried of your final grade in Kiswahili? Worry no more. Today, I'll show you tips and steps of learning Kiswahili by simply navigating through the fastest growing channel, Kiswahili na Mwalimu Ogelo. In this channel, you'll find all the videos and all the lessons that you might need to help you achieve your goal in Kiswahili. Once you enter into Kiswahili na Mwalimu Ogelo, you'll find that there are more than 70 videos and they are arranged in an orderly manner. Lessons are numbered. We have lesson 1 to lesson 70. Just choose which lesson you want to listen to and you'll get all that you need. However, today I will take you through and guide you step by step of how to navigate through Kiswahili na Mwalimu Ogelo. So the first step, just go to your browser. If you're using Google or Mozilla, just open your browser, and after opening your browser, if you already saved your browser, go to the Google search and search for the word. Just type Kiswahili na Mwalimu Ogelo. Search for Kiswahili Mwalimu Ogelo. Of course, the search will take you to the YouTube channel Kiswahili na Mwalimu Ogelo. Click on the link provided. You'll be directed direct to the YouTube channel Kiswahili na Mwalimu Ogelo. So in this channel you can now subscribe so that you can get all the latest videos and lessons as posted. After subscribing, you can put all notifications on. So it is very important because it is through these notifications that you'll receive a notification that a video has been launched. So after that, it's simple. Just scroll downwards. You'll see all the videos that are available in that channel. However, to make your work easy, this is what you're supposed to do. Go to playlist. Once you click on playlist, you'll be able to see that we have all the playlists that are available. We have Riwaya ya Nguu za Jadi, Isimu Jamii, Ushairi, Tamthilia, Bembe ya Maisha, Matumizi ya Lugha. So once you are here, you'll choose whatever you need according to your preference, whether you need to go to Matumizi ya Lugha. You see that Matumizi ya Lugha has got 30 videos. So if you decide to go for Matumizi ya Lugha, just click Matumizi ya Lugha, wait for it to open, and once you are in, you'll also be able to realize that in the playlist Matumizi ya Lugha, all the videos are here. We have lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, and all the lessons have titles. So assuming that today you want to listen maybe to the Shada, just click on that video. As the video play, you can decide now to pause as you take notes. Say to pause here as you take notes from the video. You play on. You can also decide also to like the video. Remember to like the video. You can also share the video. Once you are through with that video, you can go back to the playlist. How do you go back to the playlist? Just click on the picture icon below the video, the circled picture channel icon below the video, like this, and it will take you back to the playlist. So go again to the playlist, click playlist, then of course select now what you need. Maybe now you want to go to Tamthilia Bembe ya Maisha. Just click Tamthilia Bembe ya Maisha. Again, you'll be able to see all the lessons here that are in Tamthilia Bembe ya Maisha. For instance, from here, from my screen here, you'll be able to see that the lessons in the Tamthilia Bembe ya Maisha starts from lesson 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. So you can scroll downwards and be able to see which lesson actually would you like to listen to. For instance, if yours is for Bembe ya Maisha, Mgala Mwe lakini haki umpe, just click that lesson and it will open. From there, you'll be able to listen to your favorite lesson that you wanted to listen to. Here again, you can pause. You can say to pause as you take notes. You can say to forward. So you can pause it as you take notes. You can play it again. You can like the video. Remember to share with your friends. If you have not subscribed, you can subscribe here. And once you are through again, just simple terms, just go back again, click the picture icon that shows below the video, the circled picture icon that for the channel. Just click it like that. It will take you back again to Kiswahili na Mwalimu Ogello. Now, assuming that you have gone through all the playlist, you can, if you have a question or if you want to go to revision questions, you can go to the community tab. You can click the community tab there. From the community tab, you'll be able now to see all the revision questions that have been posted there. For example, from the screen you can able to see that there are 17 people have answered this question. Taja alasogezi zinazotumia katika utamkaji wa neno ua. You can scroll again and see other questions like tunasema kuwa panya lingia shimoni. You can try to answer those questions, and once you get the correct answer, for example, this one we can say ndani au makatika. So assuming you have clicked that, you'll be able to see this tick icon that shows that your answer is correct. But assuming you have chosen a wrong answer, you'll be told that that answer is wrong. You'll be able to see it. So you can make use of this channel by revising for your exams. And once you are through, you can still go back now to your videos or to your playlist. Again, go there, choose if it's Riwaya Nguza Jadi is what you want to listen to. It will start playing. Just click it like that. Then from there, if you have any question, concerning any lesson, please, you can share your question through your comment. For example, just write there, nani musika mkuu katika riwaya hii, and comment. Click on comment. Your question will be answered in less than 5 minutes and you will get your answer. So, ladies and gentlemen, you have now known how you can simply get a grade A in Kiswahili while seated in your home or in your house. No need to worry anymore. Today, you'll get the best through Kiswahili na Mwalimu Ogello. Thank you so much.